Okay guys, we're in the middle of a pandemic, coronavirus times, and I want to show you what's on the plate for today. Today is Wednesday, August the 5th. We're jam-packed because word is getting out that we do great business on luxury cars. We focus on luxury cars. We've been doing this for over 20 years, and our work speaks for itself. I'll show you what's on the plate for the day. We got a Maserati right here. We're doing some curb rash on the Maserati. We got a truck right here. We're going to do some bends on this truck. We got this Mercedes. This is some special work we've done on this Mercedes right here. Now, these wheels were originally silver. The customer wanted to trick out his car but not buy new wheels. So here's what we did. We took the original factory Mercedes wheels. We powder coated the wheels black. Then after we powder coated them black, we taped up the original machine lines in the Mercedes-Benz wheel, and we dropped in the red to match the car. Look at that, beautiful custom painted wheels. This is what we do. If you don't want to buy brand new wheels, custom paint your wheels. Save you a lot of money. You still have your factory wheels, factory offset. Your car's going to ride smooth like it needs to from the factory. But this Mercedes, the customer's very happy. The wheels look awesome. It's an exact color match. We got a Jaguar SUV next to it. We're getting ready to paint the brake calipers. Let me show you the attention that we pay to detail when we paint brake calipers. We tape up the calipers and we cover so we won't get any overspray on other parts in your car. We do not take the brake calipers off because you don't want to mess with your braking system. You got anti-skid, anti-lock. You got traction control lights, you got brake sensors. If someone takes your braking system loose, you're asking for trouble. These cars will brake themselves and park themselves as a highly sophisticated braking system. We do it on the car. It's gonna look factory, like it was painted from the dealer. Also, we got this GMC truck. Looks like we got some 24s or 26-inch chrome wheels. Now, this customer got curb rash, beautiful truck, the wheels look awesome. Look at this rash. We're going to take care of this rash in one day. We're going to bang it out for them in one day. We're doing two wheels. We got some swangers right here. Now, with these swangers, let me tell you what happened. Someone spray can painted the wheels. And look at this paint coming off, okay? So, these have to be powder coated. We're going to powder coat these wheels, but before we can powder coat them, we got to burn them. This is an example of us where we burnt some wheels. We stripped it back down to the metal. Then we got to go back and we got to sand it. It's a lot of work involved in it to do it right, but we take the pride and do the work right here at Houston Wheel Repair and My Wheel Doctor. So we're going to burn these wheels. Then we're going to come back and we're going to powder coat these wheels. Over here, we have another GMC Sierra. We're doing what's called a four-piece chicken, you want to call it. We're going to do all four wheels on this truck. We're going to do a blackout package. In front of it, we got a Lincoln where we're doing a blackout package on this one as well. So we're blacking out the wheels. We're getting ready to paint the brake calipers. And next to it is the car that has the swangers. We're going to black out this car as well. We got a Mercedes behind it. We're going to do some work with that. So as you can see, we're extremely busy. A lot of people bring their work to us. If you really want it done, you want it done right, bring it to HoustonWheelRepair.org, MyWheelDoctor.com. Guys, this is another reason why we are the best. If you want your wheels custom painted, you want customization on your vehicle, or if you want it done right, bring it to the professionals. 713-942-0294.